Today we're going to be building a privacy screen. I got all the pieces stained. Next thing I got to do is add a tongue and groove on there. I decided to add a tongue and groove on my boards so that they fit better with each other and so that you won't be able to see the light in between the boards whenever the wood expands and contracts. You can see the tongue here, just routed that out. And here I'm comparing the two fits. This is with just the square ends. And then this is how it fits with the tongue and groove, which is a lot better. So we're going to go ahead and stick with that. Now what I'd like to do is measure and build my first panel. Making sure my first piece is square. The reason for this privacy screen was to have a better view outside of the homeowner's kitchen. It was right in front of the sink the window was, so yeah, I'll show you a picture of what it looked like at the end. So